Lost your key fob or need to program a new one for your 2008 GMC Sierra? It's a straightforward process you can do yourself in about 5 to 15 minutes. This video provides a step-by-step guide to pairing your key fob with your vehicle's body control module. You'll need your key fob, the vehicle's key, and to be within close proximity to the BCM. Ensure your vehicle battery is well charged, ideally above 12 volts, and that there are no other remotes nearby that might interfere. Key fobs communicate via 314 MHz radio frequency, and the BCM can store up to 4 key fob codes. To enter programming mode, insert your key into the ignition and turn it to the on position without starting the engine. Then press and hold both the lock and unlock buttons on the key fob simultaneously for about 15 seconds. If you have multiple fobs, program each one individually by pressing the lock and unlock buttons simultaneously until the vehicle confirms with a chirp or lights flash. Turn the ignition off to exit programming mode. Test each fob by pressing the lock and unlock buttons to ensure they work properly. If you encounter issues, check the BCM fuses located under the hood in the fuse box. Weak batteries or signal interference are common problems. You can try cycling the ignition 3 times to reset the system. If problems persist, it may be a faulty BCM requiring professional diagnostics and potential replacement.